Hey guys, it's Andres0, Andres Bro, whatever, and today I'm going to teach you how to do a zippo trick called a double snap. Alright, the double snap name comes from when you snap your fingers, it opens, snap it again, your fingers, and it lights up. But fortunately, I don't have zippo gasoline right now, so I am not going to be able to light it up. You need to buy some, but I'm still going to show you how to snap it. Alright, so it matters if you are righty or lefty. If you're righty, you can do your grab with this hand and snap with this hand, or if you're a lefty, grab with this hand and snap it with this hand. So what you're going to do is you're going to pull your hand up and you're going to put your zippo right in between these and you're going to close it. So if you could see these in slow motion, you could see that when you're snapping, your finger goes down, opens it. So you snap it, close it, so you does this like that, and then you snap it again, so it opens it, so it lights it up. So let's do one more time. Like that, but again, unfortunately, I don't have gasoline on it, so I'm not gonna be able to show it to you. Okay? All I did is just teach you how to snap and grab things, so that's why it's called double snap. 1 and 2 it lights up, but I don't have a gasoline, so. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.